Hey there, how you going? It's Mark Whiteley here, and I'm excited to actually bring you the latest Highster Mobile review for 2019. Plus, even more exciting news, if you hang around a little bit here, I'm going to give you a massive bonus pack that is going to help you when using the Highster Mobile system. Now, in this video, I'm going to quickly break down the features as they are in 2019. I'm also going to grab my phone, and I'm going to show you how you actually install Highster Mobile. Once we've done that, I'm going to quickly break down these bonuses that you can get, and that way you can go ahead and grab Highster Mobile and all these additional extras that you will not get anywhere else. On top of that, I've been able to secure a one-time price for Highster Mobile, whereas it's currently been changed over to a monthly billing, and I don't like that. So I've been able to get it for you guys for a one-time price only, right? So let's go ahead, let's check out the features and get straight into it. Okay, so here I am over at Highster Mobile. Now, straight away, it's only going to be $69, right? $69. There are no monthly fees. There are no hidden costs at all, okay? This is the website that allows you to buy it for a one-time price. You simply just click this button here, and away you go. Or click this button and away you go. It just takes you to a checkout page, and it is only $69. Then you will receive an email with all your license details, the installation details that you require, and I'm going to show you all that in a second. So let's go over some of the features here. First of all, what does Highster Mobile work on? Well, since their update, it actually works on every iOS device, right? The latest iPhone right up to the latest iPhone. Now with iPhones, they do need to be jailbroken, but it's a very simple process, and there's many softwares that you can get out there. It costs you around about $10, $15. Some of them are actually free, okay? Full instructions are given to you as well, rightio? With an Android, even simply, you don't need to do any of that. It's easy. You just need to get access to the phone for around about a minute, and that's it. You're done, and it's undetectable, untraceable, and they'll never know that you're able to see what's going on, all the actual activity on their phone, right? Now here's the features as they are in 2019. The call log, so it records and all the calls, right? And you can view all the call details, everything, you know, incoming, outgoing, the whole lot. SMS, GPS, I love the GPS for keeping track of my children where they're getting on their buses and things like that in the afternoons when I'm working. I can actually see where they are and they're meant to be, okay? Now, it's also great too if they lose a phone, you can then go and find your phone, right? Fantastic. Email log, browser history logs, very good, monitoring my younger children, what they're doing online. Photos, video logs, you can see what videos they're getting or downloading. You know, people send videos to these kids these days, so it's good to be able to know what's being done there. WhatsApp, that's huge, right? All their contact details, you can actually listen to the surroundings, and that's huge, right? I don't think many others have that, but you can actually tap into the microphone and actually hear what's going on around them, and they have no idea that you're doing that. Real-time tracking, okay, all the activities on the phone are coming in live in real time. The mobile monitoring, okay, you can monitor target phones from your mobile device, right? So you can actually use your mobile to monitor that other mobile, right? Yeah. Facebook logs, huge, must be done. Skype logs, Instagram logs, and you can remote uninstall it from their phone as well. You don't need to get a hold of their phone to do that. Has a stealth camera, right? Excellent. Turn the camera on, see what's going on around them as well. So you can see what's going on, you can listen and record the whole show. Call recording, you can record the call. You can lock a target phone. So in other words, if the phone gets stolen or lost, you can lock it down so it's useless until you find that. Notes, right, you can see what notes have been put into the phone, the calendars, any activities, WeChat, Line Chat, and of course, Twitter, right here. Here's a quick testimonial from Heather. My daughter sends and receives over 6,000 text messages a month. This program sent them all to my Gmail. Very good program, very reliable, a must for any responsible parent. Now, the new one here doesn't send them to your Gmail, it sends them to your you've got an online account that you can log into, only you can get access to that, and you can actually see all the details from within there, right? It's really, really cool. So that's primarily the features, rightio? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to switch over the actual to my phone here, and we'll show you how to get it installed. And after that, I'm going to show you the bonuses, right? So don't forget to hang around, let's watch the installation, and then let's come back and I'll check out the bonuses for you. Okay, so let me show you the steps for installing Highster Mobile on a mobile device. So first of all, you want to tap on Google Chrome or whatever browser that you're using on your mobile. And you want to see the address bar at the top, and in that bar you want to enter the URL that you will have received via email, okay, which is going to be something like this. So it's http://evt17.com and then the 417.apk, right? So It depends. Yours is going to be a little bit different. As I update the software as well, it'll be different. So yours will be different. You'll get it via email. Then once you've done that, you just tap on Done and tap on OK. Then what you want to do is you want to drop down that status bar at the top of your screen. So you just sort of slide down on that. All right. So once you've done that, you'll actually see that the download is complete. Okay. So all you do is you tap on that, and this is going to open up the actual file. Okay. And then you click on Next, then Next again, and one more time. You click on Next, and then finally you click Install. You then tap Open. You obviously have got to agree, the little checkbox. Okay. And then click Submit. Then, after that, finally you click Activate. So you just tap on the Activate there. Now you simply enter the license key that you also would have received via that email. Okay, now it must be entered exactly as it appears. You know, lowercase, capitals, everything has to be exactly as it appears. Once you've done that, then you simply put the mobile number in of the actual phone that you want to monitor. Right? Once you've done that, you just click Submit. Right? Then tap OK. After that, you're completely done, and Highster Mobile will now start monitoring all of the activities on that phone. Alrighty, so hopefully that helped you out. Hopefully you got a really good idea of how to do it all. It's really, really simple. Full instructions given to you. Pretty good support when it comes to it as well. The technology is fantastic, right? So let's go over and check out the bonuses that you can get when you go ahead and grab Highster Mobile today. So what you'll see is below this, if you're on YouTube, below this link, you're going to see a couple of links. One that'll take you to this page here that you're looking at, and another one will just take you straight to Highster Mobile's official website, and you can check out Highster Mobile from there. If you do grab it from there, that's fine. You will still receive these follow-up bonuses that you can get. Obviously, you only get those when you purchase the package from the link below the video. All right, so below the video, you're going to see here, first of all, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, because I'm always updating with new videos, new information, right? So if you want more videos like that and on that topic, please go ahead, subscribe to my channel. That's the first thing I would do, rightio? Now, right here, you'll see a button. This button is going to take you directly to the official website for Highster Mobile, and it also allows you to claim all the bonuses that you can get as well. Now, these are totally free, given to you completely free when you grab Highster Mobile for that one-time price. Now, bonus number one is called Cyber Security. It's a complete guide on how to actually maintain internet safety for your loved ones, right? On the computer, everywhere, on the phone, the iPads, all that sort of stuff, right? Fantastic. Now, it's normally $27 to get this actual program, but I've been able to get it to you guys for free. Right, so you're going to get that for free as well. The second bonus you're going to get there is something for some people. I like to use Highster Mobile for 3 different reasons: to find out what their children are doing and to keep them safe. If you are suspecting that your partner is, being unfaithful, then it's also used for that. Now, we don't condone that, but it is used for that as well. And then obviously employers use it to make sure their employees are using the company phones respectively, right, and not wasting money. Now, that's normally $19, once again, completely free. Now, this one here is really, really great. I actually purchased this one for myself. I've got two teenagers and 2 younger children under the age of 10. One is 10, one's 9. I got this for myself. So bonus number 3 is a full... It's about 3 different articles, right? And these articles are extremely helpful, right? They're going to help parents that are concerned about teenagers and their risk-taking, both online and offline. Depression. There's all this pushing and pulling at school and in society these days, that it's a really good idea to have some knowledge of how they are thinking and feeling in 2019, right? In this day and age, because we can't relate to it because we're a different era, right? Yeah. So this article is fantastic, really, really shed some light for me, and I believe it will help you guys as well. Normally $17, once again, 100% free today when you go ahead and grab Highster Mobile. Okay, so that's simple. All you got to do is click this button. Once you've got that, you just simply email me at my email address there. You will be able to get these bonuses sent directly to your inbox, so you'll get the whole lot, right? So there's about another $60, $70 worth of value there. You're getting 100% free of charge. So if you're serious about finding out what's going on behind your back, if you also want to know what your children are up to, you want to keep them safe, GPS tracking, or you just want to safety net your own phone, I 100% recommend Highster Mobile. It's a fantastic product. Go ahead, click the link below, grab Highster Mobile now, and you'll also go ahead and get these additional bonuses completely free of charge. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.